Amazon Prime Day is here, and we found the 10 coolest, budget-friendly gadgets that are totally worth checking out. We've listed them from the smallest to the biggest discounts, so be sure to stick around till the end for the best deal. Quick heads up though, these offers are limited and could change anytime, so don't wait too long. Alright, let's get started. Starting with the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. This little powerhouse is perfect for whipping up smoothies, protein shakes, or even a quick snack no matter where you are. Whether you're hitting the gym, chilling at the beach, or just cruising around town, you can blend your drinks fresh anytime, anywhere. It even fits perfectly in your car's cup holder. Talk about convenience. Charging is super simple, so you never have to worry about running out of juice. And it's great for the kids too. After the game, they can get their vitamins in right away. Plus, with its leak-proof lid, you can toss it in your bag and not worry about spills. This blender lets you enjoy life to the fullest, wherever you are. Now that's living life at full blast. If you're looking for the perfect gaming setup, check out the ODK 48-inch Gaming Desk. It's sleek, all black, and comes with awesome LED lights that really bring the vibe. You've got built-in power outlets to keep your gear charged, plus a monitor stand that keeps your screen at the perfect height. There are also storage shelves for all your gaming essentials, and even a dedicated CPU stand to keep things organized. Whether you're gaming or working from home, this desk is built for comfort and style. Seriously, it's got everything you need to level up your space. Looking for the ultimate scooter for your kids? The three-wheel scooter for kids is where it's at. With its cool front and side LED light-up wheels, your little one is going to steal the show on the block. The sturdy deck design means it's built to handle all the bumps and jumps, and it's got 4 height adjustments, so it grows with your kiddo, whether they're 3 or 12. The SUV-type wheels give it that extra stability and smooth ride, making it perfect for cruising the neighborhood or the park. Fun, safe, and stylish, this scooter is a total win. If you're into golfing and looking to level up your golf game, this premium golf GPS watch is what you've been waiting for. It's got a built-in virtual caddy and comes preloaded with a whopping 41,000 courses worldwide. You can easily scroll through hazards, get distances for layup targeting, and see how far you are from the green, all on a large, easy-to-read display. Plus, with 20 hours of battery life per charge, you'll stay connected through even the longest rounds. And the best part? It's stylish enough to wear off the course, too. This watch really does it all. Level up your entertainment with lifelike visuals and immersive sound with the most powerful streaming stick. Enjoy the latest in smoother streaming with Wi-Fi 6E support and double the storage for even more downloads. You can just complete your Amazon smart home and control compatible devices right from your TV. Alexa can show you the front door camera and picture-in-picture. And when you're done watching, turn your TV into a canvas for art and more. The all-new Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the best entertainment device for your home. This compact yet powerful device is perfect for deep tissue relief, with 4 smart massage levels that adjust to exactly what you need. Whether you're recovering after an intense workout or just want to relax after a long day, this handheld massager gets the job done. It's built with a sleek full metal design and is super portable, so you can throw it in your gym bag and take it anywhere. Plus, it's easy to handle, and the quiet motor means you can enjoy a massage without all the noise. Trust me, once you try it, you won't want to leave home without it. This 3-channel dash cam is one of my favorites on this list. I personally got one for myself. It came with front, rear, and cabin coverage. With its 3-inch IPS touchscreen and voice control, it's super easy to use. You'll get crystal clear footage at 720p, 1080p, and even 4K for that extra detail, plus HDR and IR night vision, so you're covered day or night. It's got 5G Wi-Fi and app control, making it easy to access your footage on the go. And with auto crash recording and manual lock, your safety is always a priority. Now you can just sit back, enjoy the ride with your buddy, and let your dash cam handle the rest. Want to set the perfect vibe in your space? This smart RGB LED corner floor lamp has got you covered. This sleek, stylish lamp gives off silky, smooth light, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere wherever you need it, whether it's the living room, bedroom, or even your gaming setup. With 16 million colors and more than 68 scenes, you can customize it to fit your mood, and you can set timers for the perfect lighting schedule. Plus, it syncs to the music beats, bringing the party to life, all in your room. This cool scale helps you keep tabs on your health and fitness goals using 4 electrode sensors to show you where your body fat is hiding. So you're not just tracking your weight. It measures 14 key body metrics, giving you a clear picture of your progress, from muscle mass to body water percentage. It also syncs easily with the Fit Days app and others on iOS and Android, so you can track changes in body fat percentage. It's great for keeping an eye on your health, and your whole family's too. You'll stay motivated and on top of your health like never before. Last but not least, these awesome wireless earbuds are the cheapest product on our list for today's video. These Bluetooth 5.4 gems pack a punch with hi-fi stereo sound, and they're so lightweight at just 3 grams each, you'll barely notice you're wearing them. With 4 ENC mics, you'll get super clear calls and immersive sound plus noise reduction to keep things chill. The USB-C LED charging case makes recharging super easy, and with an IP7 waterproof rating, they're perfect for workouts or any splashy adventure. Whether you're jamming out or taking calls, these earbuds are a total steal. That's it for today's video. Go get your preferred and most cheapest product on Amazon right now. You'll find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos, featuring the coolest gadgets.